CND is the next 5x. Thank you, Robin Karki, for suggesting that I do a video on this. And in this video, I'm gonna give you 2 reasons why I can see CND 5x in the near future and why you should be buying this coin. If you're new to the channel, my name's Ben. I've made over 6 figures trading crypto. I'm a full-time trader, and I wanna teach you guys everything that I know. So what is CND? What does it do? So I'm looking here on Cindicator's white paper. If you go on CoinMarketCap and you look at the tabs below, you can see the white paper right here. And I just clicked on that and it got me to this next page. And so Cindicator is a hybrid intelligence for effective asset management. It means it's a combination of computer intelligence, so like AI, combined with human intelligence. And so that's what makes it hybrid intelligence. For effective asset management, its purpose is to help people invest their money and to do the investing for them. So people will pay for the bot that they have, and then it will invest for you and trade for you to grow your portfolio. I was just looking through this and I went on their page to see what it is. So this is like the investing bot that does it for you, and it's called Stoic. Almost a little bit similar to the way that I trade and the strategies that I talk about a lot. So Stoic is an automated crypto trading with AI, and you basically will just connect it to whatever exchange you're using, like Binance, and then it'll do the trades for you. Now, the way that it works is they will split up your portfolio into stable coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and altcoins. And then from what I understand is every month it'll put in about $1,000 that is in your safe account in the stable coins into your portfolio. And if your portfolio is in the red for that month, then you'll see additional funds going into it from the stable coins. Like I said, it mixes up between stable coins, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and altcoins. So stable coins is low risk but no to low reward. Bitcoin and Ethereum is medium risk and medium reward. Altcoins are high risk and high reward. And it says when Bitcoin, Ethereum, and or altcoins go through strong bull runs, part of the positions are sold and profits directed into the stable coins part. As altcoins and Bitcoin or Ethereum do well and they have these 10%, 20%, I'm taking some profits off the table and I'm leaving them in USD to buy back in at a cheaper price. And so that's basically what it's saying too. So it says, yet the perfect re-entry back into crypto is hard. As we've seen, even major double-digit daily corrections could be followed by deeper sales, or it could quickly turn into a strong rebound. And so the way that I teach to trade is only selling a little bit at a time. And then as you're buying back in, you also don't buy back in everything at once. You'll buy back in part of it. And then if it goes lower, then you buy back in more. So it's just preparing you for any situation. If it goes back up, then you're able to start selling again. If it goes down even more, then you have more to buy with. CND is traded on Binance and Bittrex. And so its market cap is a low market cap. It's at 23 million. Its volume is 82,000, which is a little bit concerning, but I'll talk about that a little bit later. As you can see, it's been pretty stable down here for a while, and then just the past couple months it went up to almost 6 cents, so 5 times higher than it is right now, and about triple in the Bitcoin price. Now, I was looking here on TradingView, and I was just seeing how many opportunities there were to make 10% trades, because that's what I focus on. And there are plenty of opportunities here on Bittrex and also on Binance. So 27 Satoshis to 30 Satoshis is more than 10, and then 23 to 29 is about 20%. So just scrolling through here, there was about 20 or so trades or even more just in the past month to do trades like this. And this one went from 34 to 41. So there's plenty of trading opportunities in this coin. And then even more, if we go back to June 6th, you can see that this coin just went off and went to 80 Satoshis from 53. So it almost doubled in price. And so if there's wicks like that, you could be trading those and putting in orders at 74 Satoshis or 69 or 68, and then make those percentage gains. And especially right now, with it being so low in price and Satoshi price, there's a lot of growth potential there. Which leads me to my next point, which is the trading potential is huge for this coin. So one of the things that I want to see in this coin happen is I want to see this volume just increase by a lot. So the volume that I'm looking for in a coin is typically about 5 to 10% of its total market cap. And so if its market cap is 23 million, I'd like to see 1.1 million for the volume, or 2 million to be 10%. And even lower than that, if it's 1%, like 230,000, that's okay, which it's relatively close. It's at about 1/3%. And if you look back to when it went up a lot, it was over 1 million for the volume. And so that's why I want to see 1 million for the volume again, because just adding that volume in will make the price increase a lot, and it could go up 3 to 5x just from that, adding that volume. So Cindicator, it's at a $24.5 million market cap, because basically what I want for these coins, I want to see 5 to 10% of its market cap is in the trading volume. So 10% of this would be 2.4 million, and it's at about 230,000, so it's about 1%. So I'd like to see it over 1 million to be between 5 to 10%. And if we look back on the chart, we can see that the volume, when it did have this big increase, was at 1.2 million. So that's what I want to see for the coin. I want to see it go up to those prices and that volume, and that volume is going to help drive the price up. So the next thing, though, of why this thing has a lot of trading potential is because the Bitcoin trading pair is so low right now. It's at about 31 Satoshis. And if you look through here, I clicked on the Bitcoin down here, you can see that it hasn't really been at 30 Satoshis in a while. This is like 50, 70, 80, 100. So around here, like 6 months ago, it was at 30, and then it went all the way up to about 100 Satoshis when it went up to those all-time highs in April. And so the potential is huge with that. Either you can get an easy 3x in your Bitcoin by investing in this coin. About 2 years ago, I would trade this on Binance, and I remember trading it against Bitcoin and trying to get little 10% moves. It was super effective for this coin, and so I think the potential with this is still very good for making good trades with it. And so when it did go up to about 6 cents, if it were to do that again, that would be over 5 times where its price is right now. And so that's a 5x right there, and that happened about 3 months ago. And so my plan for this coin is to slowly accumulate some and to be able to start trading it, and I'll be trying to catch 10% trades, and I'll be using Bittrex to trade this, and I'll try to catch those 10% moves, 20% moves, and I think that it has the potential to just do a 2 or 3x even in a day. So make sure to check out my most recent altcoin video that I did on TRB. It'll be right here. And also drop a like on this video. We're trying to get to 75 likes still for those push-ups. And remember, as always, keep it in the green.